Just listed, a beautiful spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo being sold furnished and turnkey with 1,350 square feet of living space. Unit 709 features spectacular views of the ocean, beach, and coastline from every room, a large open floor plan, beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, 3 balconies with true ocean views, and a large master bedroom with bath ensuite. The Henlopen Condominiums offer security-controlled access, indoor parking, secured entrance to the beach with outdoor showers, elevators, a beautiful rooftop sundeck and pool offering spectacular views of the ocean and the Delaware coastline. Call for an appointment today.